Hello from the Swiftward team. At this hackathon, we built not an AI trading agent, but an AI trading harness. It consists of 3 pillars. Smart AI agents. We built 7 agents using 3 different architectures and multiple languages. A universal trading platform with MCP tools that allows any AI agent to trade, be risk-controlled, and create evidence on the blockchain. And a super safe risk engine. Pillar number 1, Smart Agents. The first architecture we built is a deterministic Python agent with AI analysis. Architecture number 2 is actually a subplatform, an arena for running backtests for multiple AI agents, testing different prompts and models on historical news and market data. The winner can then move to live trading. Architecture number 3 is Claude Code, but safe and isolated. It can have multiple sub-agents and skills. One of our agents has 5 sub-agents that debate together and 6 skills. All agents have the ability to send reports and communicate with the operator via Telegram. Agents can read news and sentiment, read market data, download and analyze files, write and execute code, create and react to alerts, and self-reflect and learn. Pillar number 2, Trading Platform. It offers 6 MCP servers with 45 tools. It includes built-in paper trading provided by Kraken, and live trading. It also includes integration with the risk engine and supports building an evidence chain. Each agent runs and executes code in an isolated environment. The platform offers a dashboard to monitor agents and their positions. You can review all trades and their evidence. The platform keeps a decision chain, cryptographically signed and optionally linked to the blockchain. It is automatically ERC-8004 compatible without any effort required from the agent's side. Evidence can also be published to a public URL. The platform provides automated stop-loss and take-profit triggers, and it provides an alerting subsystem. Agents can wake up on price alert and wake up on news alert. Pillar number 3 is the risk management engine, Swiftward. It has 3 gateways for full agent isolation. All internet calls, LLM calls, and MCP calls are controlled and validated against rules. For example, if a Claude Code agent wants to access an Anthropic MCP server that could expose my email, we block it. The platform allows trading risk rules to be written in a declarative way. For example, we created 31 rules, such as graduated tiers, circuit breakers, and more. But rules should be tested before going live. We support evals, backtesting, and shadow testing modes. Every event rule check can be analyzed, and overall statistics can be analyzed too. Finally, the tech stack. Any language can be used to write agents for our platform. We created examples in Go, Python, Ruby, Java, and Rust. The platform can run on Docker Compose or Kubernetes, and we have production observability, traces, metrics, and logs. Oh, and one more thing. We audited all hackathon agents and created an agent intelligence platform to analyze them and learn from them. Thank you for your time. Review our code and contact us for details.